Today is Wednesday. අද බදාද කියලා හිතන්න. එතකොට ඊයේ අඟහරුවාදා. What do you call Tuesday? Yesterday. ඊයේ. Yesterday කියන්නේ ඊයේ කියන එකට. හරි. අද බදාදා. Today is Wednesday. How do you say about something that happened on Monday? සරල වෙච්ච දෙයක් ගැන කොහොමද අපි කියන්නේ? The day before yesterday. Pereda. The day before yesterday was my birthday. Pereda mage birthday එක. මගේ උපන්දිනය. Okay. So today is Wednesday. Ada badada. How do you say about something that happened on Sunday? 3 days ago. දවස් 3කට කලින් කියලා කියන්නේ 3 days ago. 3 days ago I came to Sri Lanka. Okay, today is Wednesday. How do you talk about something that will happen on Thursday? අද වදාදා එතකොට බ්‍රහස්පතින්ද වෙන දෙයක් ගැන කියන්නේ කොහොමද? Tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to school. Tomorrow I'm going to work. Tomorrow I have an event. Tomorrow I have this, I have that. So tomorrow කියන්නේ හෙට. හෙට. And how do you talk about something that will happen on Friday? The day after tomorrow. හරි. අද බදාදා. එතකොට සිකුරාදා වෙන දෙයක් ගැන කොහොමද කියන්නේ? The day after tomorrow. අනිද්දාට. හෙට නෙමේ අනිද්දාට කියන එකට අපි කියන්නේ the day after tomorrow. The day after tomorrow is a public holiday. The day after tomorrow is my father's birthday. හෙට නෙමේ අනිද්දාට මගේ තාත්තගේ උපන්දිනය. How do you talk about something that will happen on Saturday? අද බදාදා Saturday වෙන දෙයක් ගැන අපි කතා කරන්නේ කොහොමද? In 3 days. In 3 days. I have to finish this project in 3 days. I have only 3 days to complete my work.